This one has been tested. So, okay, now it's working. Good. Good. Okay, so uh, let me see if I can dim the lights, or maybe you can see despite the illumination in my room, you can see some LEDs are very bright and cute. This is multiple color, is color changing, right? Good. Green, blue. This one. For stars, I like it very much, except for this detail that for replacing batteries you need to work on the wood, and that eventually will wear out the holes, and then is going to become useless, the toy. Other than that, seems very funny for the kiddos and recommended.